completed project 2. I'm going to go over the exporting techniques and submission process that we're going to use, which is a little different than what we did for project 1. So here I have a test mandala or example mandala, something I did quickly. It is just one shape that's repeated, so please don't think this is what yours should look like. This is just as an example. So once you're done, come up to File and Save a Copy. And then it might directly take you to your project files folder because that's where the Illustrator file is located. But we want to put it in the export folder. So under my folder, project 2, with my name, I have an export folder. I'm going to click on that. And then I'm going to title this, it's probably will put the word copy after the name. So I'm just going to take out the word copy. So it's project 2 in your name. And then I'm going to change it. We don't want to save it as an Illustrator file. I'm going to change it to PDF. And then you should only have one artboard. And if so, then you don't have to worry about any of these being highlighted. If you, for some reason, have multiple artboards, choose the range of which ones you want to save. So if you have, let's say, 3 artboards, but you only want to save the first one, I would click on select range and then type in 1. But you should only have one artboard, so you can just go ahead and press save. And then probably what you did for project 1 is just you probably went ahead and pressed save PDF. We're going to take it one step further, and under the preset for Adobe PDF preset, I'm going to click on this. It has a little drop down menu. Click on PDF X1A 2001. This is kind of a standard PDF preset for that works great for printing. And you should remember this preset as you go on in any sort of printing PDFs. If you take them to the FedEx or UPS store, try to save your PDFs as PDF X1A 2001. Now you can press Save PDF and press OK. And it's going to save it there. It gives me a little preview. I added some grain on mine. That's why it might look a little different than yours. You are welcome to add a grain effect if you wish, but don't feel it is required. So I'm going to close that. I'm going to bring open Finder. And so we have project 2, my name. We have all my folders, assets. My demo folder is just where I put these screen recording demo files, so you don't have to worry about that. Export project files, and then project 2, my name.pdf is in the export folder. Once this is completed, I'm going to compress this folder or zip this folder, and then we're going to upload the compressed folder to Box, and that will be shared with everybody in class on the assignment page. So on Mac, all I have to do is right click or control click on this folder, and I can press compress project 2 Ryan Meyer. So I click on that, it's compressing. It's going to take a little bit longer because I have the video files in this folder. If you're using a Windows computer, you may have to have some other program downloaded that will allow you to compress or zip folders on your Windows machine. I don't know any off the top of my head because I don't use Windows, but you can do, I'm sure you can do a Google search program or app for Windows for compressing or zipping folders. While this is compressing, I'll show you the assignment page. On this section here, there's a section titled Project Submission, and then there's a link, a UAB box link. click on that, and it's going to open this folder. Now I'm already logged in with my Blazor ID on Box. You probably will have to log in with your Blazor ID to access this. And then once you're in, and I heard the noise that my project folder has been zipped. So now it's project2 ryanmeyer.zip. I'm going to close this real quick. So here it is right here. Now I can drag and drop this into the Box folder online. All right, and that will upload. I can see the progress here of the upload. Yours will go a lot faster than mine because, again, I have larger video files in there. You guys probably will just have PDF and Illustrator and maybe some screenshots or other images. When you upload your compressed folder into Box, I will be able to see it because I am the creator of this Box folder, and that's what we'll use to collect everybody's project, and we'll print them out in class and do a short critique in class on Tuesday. Let me know if you have any questions, and feel free to send any emails in the meantime.